Okay, silent natin. Minimize yung voice. Of course, pero sigurado minimize naman yan. Kami natutulog na. Participate kung may question and answer, then of course. So, certificates of completion shall be given to participants with complete attendance for the 6 modules with a total of 8 hours online seminar. Kung online. So, syempre dapat makompleto. Okay? So, kayo, meron ito, dalawa na ito, so 4 na lang. So, ito yung mandatory talaga. Okay? So, yun siya. Yun talaga yung scope niya. So, 1 hour talaga. Introduction, technical concept, so mga basic rules, 2 hours. So, yun yung pagkakahati-hati talaga. Okay? Anong mga topics. So first, of course, importance of course.
Next.
Sabi nga, what does safety and health in the workplace mean? So, ano ibig sabihin ng kaligtasan at kalusugan sa lugar ng trabaho? Of course, safety refers to physical and environmental working condition that comply with prescribed or standards. Sabi natin before, dati, so meron tayong mga standards sa sinusunod kasi sa OSH. A safe workplace allows the workers to perform the job without or within acceptable exposure to limit to hazard.